How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about one of the best small account friendly stocks, in my opinion, there is. And I want to talk about how I trade it, and I want to talk about a trade I took today on it as well. But before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this trade. What I saw. The stock I'm referring to is Walmart, ticker WMT. The option premiums are cheap and moves well, tends to obey technicals to some point. I don't like to trade it when there's big news days or something like that, but on a normal day, Walmart is definitely one of my favorite small account friendly stocks. I'll talk about some ways I trade it, but first let's talk about the trade I had on it today, okay? So I just want to point out this white line you see here, that's called prior day close. Shows me what Walmart closed at the day before. So this was Thursday and this was Wednesday. As you can see, they have been pinning it in this area 2 days in a row. It's a key level. Plus we had a nice sell off here. Let me show you on the 15-minute time frame what I'm talking about. See how we sold off right here, a real quick red candle down, right? I wanted to see if there was some orders left behind in this area here, aligned with that big area of confluence. I was going to add more if we pushed up into this 160, but we did not. But anyways, let's go back to the 5-minute time frame and talk about this trade. As you can see, we had a nice push up right off the open. Did not take it long at all to get up there. We literally caught this trade in this area here for puts. Gave my trade ideal that I was taking puts here. I like how we had a nice decrease in volume on this candle, possible reversal candle. Then we did exactly what I wanted to do. I told everyone my final price target is down here around this 157.7. We trimmed on the way down. Excellent management of this trade, a complete control of my emotions. And that's what you want. When you're trading, you don't have to block out all emotions. You have to know how to control them and how to use them in your advantage, right? So let's talk about some other ways I like to trade Walmart. Again, small account friendly, easy to manage, typically doesn't move crazy like you see here, like this big move up. That's a little bit out of the ordinary, but it's right into that level I wanted. Let's go to the hourly time frame. I like to basically trade support and resistance on Walmart or bounces or rejects. Very basic trading. Come in, chart out support, resistance, areas of confluence like the one we traded here. When we have a big move down like that, I love to come back up and retest for a put entry. As you can see here on the Walmart's hourly time frame, we've had a clear supply zone up here and we've had a clear demand zone down here, right? You could take your trades based off supply and demand. As you can see, any entry down here in demand would have been a nice bounce. Any entry up here in supply would have been a nice put entry for a nice scalp to the downside. So support and resistance, supply and demand, and watch price action and volume to confirm these. People try to overcomplicate trading a lot of times. That's just not the way. I'm telling you all, I know a lot of traders. I know a lot of people who make a lot more money than I do trading, and their strategies are simple, very simple. They don't overcomplicate it, and that's what it's about. You know, like I've said this before, but doing something simple seems simple, but it's very hard to do consistently every single day, right? Think about that for a minute. Let's look at the daily time frame. I want to look at the daily time frame before we in this video. I didn't want to make this too long. Just want to show you a few things I look at while trading Walmart. If you've traded with me for a while, you know I've been trading Walmart for years. I do really well with it when I do trade it, but the setup has to be right for me. Now, if we look at the daily here, let me just take my studies off the screen so we can see this a little bit better, this raw price action now. These daily levels are huge too. So if you can catch a daily, like a reversal, a daily bounce off support, daily reject off resistance, that's going to work out well for you. But if you're looking to swing this, be sure you're going out at least 1 month in expiration. You don't want to be trading same week expirations on a swing trade, or at least I don't. That's my style. I like to go out. I don't want that affecting my premiums too much. That's basically it for this video. This video wasn't to go too in depth about it. Just kind of give you my go-to strategies while trading it. Pointing out that Walmart is a small account friendly stock. The premiums are affordable. One last tip before we go. Don't trade Walmart right off the open. Give it, 3, 4, 5 minutes for the contracts to update, because I've noticed sometimes the contracts don't update right away. The spreads can be a little wide. You want to wait on those spreads to tighten up a little bit before trading it. $3, $4, $5 spreads typically normal on Walmart. doesn't get too much better than that. It's not like trading SPY where you can have like a $1 spread. The spreads are a little worse, but again, definitely a lot easier to manage than some of the bigger stocks when you're learning how to trade. But that's all I have for this video. Be sure you check out all the links in my description. Everything I have is at grizzlytrades.com. Don't fall for any scammer accounts. I'm the only one. I only have one Instagram. I only have one Twitter. I will not DM you first. I will not follow you because this is my business account, right? So if someone's following you, trying to DM you, that's a scammer. That's not me. I want you to get ahead in life. I don't want you to get scammed by someone getting you to click some weird link or something. But appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time.